Kayak fishing. For me, it's the excitement, the not knowing, the long drives to your put-in, getting ready to get on the water, that first topwater bite, the explosion you get on a frog, the scenery, being out in nature. Man, there's nothing better. I love this sport. One thing I know for sure is I can't wait to share it with the rest of my friends, family. I hope I'm able to do this for a long time.
What's up guys, Eric with Hooked Off the Grid. I'm out here on a little solo mission run. Hopefully it pays off. We're gonna try to get on some big bass. It's been a minute since I've gotten on a nice tank, so that is the mission and goal for today. Just get on something nice, something I can brag about. It's been a minute since I've got on me a big one, so hang with me. Should be a fun run, like I said, solo mission, and I'm hoping to get on them. Come on. All right boys, so the first thing I'm gonna start off with is this Elude topwater rat or gerbil. It's kind of like a wake bait. It just sits on top of the water. That is what I'm going to be starting with, and we'll see if topwater bites on. The water temp out here where I'm at is kind of cold, so I don't know if it'll work, but heck, we're going to give it a shot. Hang with me. Ooh, got one. Heck yeah, boys. That's not a bad way to start. Not bad at all. Yes, sir. Man, we haven't been out here very long. He is not massive, but not a bad one either, not to get started. That's a sign. Hopefully we can get on some more. Stay with me. Ooh. That was sick. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, check that out, boys. Another nice one. Saw that shadow come up from behind it. Came up and popped him. It's kind of midday right now. I'm actually shocked that topwater bites on. I just really wanted to catch a fish on this bait. I love fishing topwater, and it's like, man, I'm gonna give it a shot. Sure enough, it's paying off. They're taking it. Gotta be some fish in here. Oh, oh, I knew it. Knew there had to be one in there. Oh, he's not bad. He ain't a bad one. Oh yeah, baby. Heck yeah. All right, guys, so this old girl went 21 and a half. We're gonna let her go. Guys, so that was a heck of a fish. That was the third one of the day, and it looks like, from what it seems, topwater is going to be money today. Hopefully that's not the only big one we catch. I'm still hopeful that there's going to be a few more, so hang with me. And I hadn't even been on the water but an hour, and we've already caught 3 pretty solid fish, so I'm hoping that the rest of the day continues this way. All right, guys, the trebles are not going to go through there, so I'm going to throw this frog. Oh, that's what I mean. You never know if one will be there. You just never know. But my swim bait would have not been able to get in there. So that's why you work it before you come through. Check it out, guys. Not a bad one on the frog. Working these weeds before we busted through them. You always want to check them before you just bust through there. You never know where they're hiding. They could be pushed up in the shallows, and just like that one, we got bit. All right, boys, so we are in about 1/2 foot of water. And believe it or not, bass will stage up this shallow. So before I bust through it, I'm gonna throw this out there and see if we can pull one out. You'd be surprised, man. They get way up in here. That right there is what I'm talking about. I just got hit. You just never know. Ooh. Oh yeah. Not a bad one. Not a bad one at all, boys. Heck yeah. Check that out, boys. Nice one on the frog. Got him right out of there. Just slow rolling that frog. Oh, I knew that fish would go back. Oh, baby. He's not a bad one. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah, boys. Let's go. All right, boys, heck of a freaking fish. We're gonna get a weight on him. I'm thinking another, probably close to 4 pounds or so. Let's see what this old girl weighs. Yep. 4.7. What a freaking stud. This girl's thick. Caught her on the frog. Get another weight just in case. All in, yep. 4.7, 4.9. Close to 5. Caught her on the frog. I had actually got bit right there earlier, and I lost her. She bit twice and came off, so that's the reason I went downriver. And I was like, man, I'm gonna go back and hit it one more time, see if I can. That fish went back. Usually they go back, and sure enough, she was there. Heck yeah. What a freaking stud. All right, boys, we're gonna let this fish go. Oh, holy cow. Did not know there was a fish in there. Man, it feels like a good one too. Holy crap. Oh yeah, he ain't bad. I see him now. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that, boys. The Hill Country swim bait. Just wanted to fish this little section real quick. See if it had anything in it. Sure enough. bad one. Yep. I'll let him go in this big section. Give him some more stuff to eat. This boy looks hungry, unhealthy. We'll put him in the main river instead of that little bitty creek thing that he was in. Oh, there you go, buddy. Have fun. All right, guys. So I'm gonna try to talk loud, but because I know it's loud with this water, but this is what you got to do when you're by yourself. It's called boomerangs. You leave your truck parked at the top of the river. You go down, but the bad part is you've got to go back upriver, and eventually, sometimes, like where I'm at, the river dries up. But it's part of it, and believe it or not, guys, I freaking love this. It's weird, but I truly enjoy doing these drags and going down, going back up. When you're by yourself, I don't know, just get to think, reflect, and plus you get to hit every spot you want. So if you don't catch fish, it's on you. But no, I truly enjoy these drags. Don't bother me at all. So hang with me. Hopefully the river shows up again. Now I know it will. Just dry right here. This river's really, really low right now. But it's a fun one to fish, that's for sure. Bruh. Holy crap. Well, there goes my hill country swim bait. Freaking A, dude. What a freaking way to end this trip. Wanted to make a couple casts with the hill country swim bait, and I freaking cast it off. Are you kidding me? It's a floater too, so I should be able to see it. Freaking A. Oh, sweet! There she is, boys. Found it. Dang, didn't even break at the knot. Must have had a weak spot. Yep, you can see right there it's frayed. Huh, wonder how that happened. See if we can push our way out of here. Holy cow. That'll do, that will do. Good thing these kayaks are stable. By the way, guys, bought my kayak at TG Canoe and Kayaks. They keep us outfitted out there in San Marcos. If you guys are ever in the market to look at kayaks or even just test one out, man, they have got a boatload of kayaks for you to try. So give them a shot if you're ever in the area in San Marcos, Texas. Just look up TG Canoe and Kayaks, and man, they'll get you on the water. They'll put you in the boat that you need and let you test out as many as you want. They have property on the river, and you can go upriver, downriver, and good, genuine people. But yeah, I'm gonna tie this thing back on and then get back to fishing on the way back to the truck. See if we can stick some more fish. Hopefully I don't cast off any more lures. Hang with me.
Okay guys, so at this point in the trip, I kept throwing top water. I was not getting bit, and I was looking around. I kept seeing all the fish hunker down at the bottom. So at this point, what I'm doing is I'm making the switch. I said I'm going to drag my working 5-0 on the bottom and just see what happens.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh Yeah, baby. Yes. God dang, guys. So I noticed all the fish were hunkered down low. I knew they were hunkered down low, so I started working that citizen on the bottom, just slow rolling it. Look at that, guys. Freaking choked it. Choked it. Boys, what a day. So I got that one. Like I said, I noticed all the fish that I kept paddling over were deep, hunkered down. The topwater bite shut off on me, so switched to the working class zero, the citizen. I believe this is a 1.5 ounce 7-inch bait, soft. I was just threw it out there, let it sink to the bottom, slow rolling on the bottom, and stuck this nice chunk. I'm gonna get a weight on him, see what she goes. Let's see what this old girl goes. All right, boys, we are zeroed out. Actually at -1. 410. 410, and she was, yep, 410. This little girl was thick. She went, I believe 20.5 is the length that I got on her. Shorter than the other ones, but look at that stocky. I mean, she's built. That is a stud right there, boys.